Hello everyone, it's Nicole Martel here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a quick and easy layout that I created using multiple photos for a Christmas layout. And I'm using My Creative Scrapbook's December main kit, which features Simple Stories Unwrapped collection. It's a super cute collection. And so to begin, I just cut down the pattern paper to measure 8.5 by 11, and then I'm using scraps that I cut down to 8.5 by 11 as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and mount those strips across the top of the layout. And then I thought I'm going to go ahead and just add a border. So I cut the red print down to 8.5 by 11, and then I'm going to resize the base, the center piece, to measure 7.5 by 10 inches. That way there's a nice border around the layout. I just felt like without that red border, it looks a little flat. And then I'm also using 3x4 photos that I'm going to actually crop to fit in the tags. I just thought the tags will look really cute, layered over one another. And so that's what my thought process was. And then I liked the Christmas tree on the other tag, and I decided to cut it out, and I'm going to use it as a die cut. And then I'm punching holes through the tags, and I'm trying to get my thoughts together on what I wanted to do here. And then I'm just measuring up a little bit, just eyeballing it to see how much I needed to crop that photo. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my trimmer to trim the excess off, just to make it neat. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same for the other two photos. And this is such a great way to get a lot of photos on your layouts. I could have probably squeezed 4 photos on this layout, but I kind of wanted to leave room so that I can do clusters of embellishments, and just to add layer after layer. And I just loved how this turned out. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this one here and crop this down. And I just love this. And so I'm going to go ahead, I'm trying to figure out how I want to place the tags. I didn't want to do them in a straight line. I figured they need to be diagonal, and just to give it a little bit of movement. And then I love the "for you" sentiment from the tag that I cut from earlier, and I'm just going to use that under there, and tucking multiple die cuts here and there just to get an idea of how I want this to come together. And then I didn't like that title at the top, and so I'm just going to go ahead and mount the tag down, get everything down first, and then I'm just going to start adding these little sentiments here, and the puffy ribbon sticker and the light, just to kind of get some of this down so I can get my thoughts together. And then I'm going to glue the holly on the corner there. I use foam squares just to pop the die cuts up a little bit. And then I also pull the ends of the die cuts up just so that they're not laying flat on the layout. And then I'm still looking for a title for up the top there. I like the Happy Holidays die cut, and I'm going to just go ahead and put that on here with the foam strip to add dimension, and then glue the holly right behind there. And then the Christmas tree, I decided I'm going to go ahead and pull the flower off, add a foam strip to the Christmas tree just to add dimension, and then add it to flower. And I love the candy cane. I just thought I'd go ahead and pop that on there just for fun. And then I wanted to add some presents at the top there. And so I'm using foam stickers, foam squares, just to pop them up a little bit at the top there. I'm just building layers. And then the stickers, sentiments, those are going to go right there at the bottom of the tags. Just super cute. I cut the house chipboard slightly down so I can tuck it up the top there, and then I'm going to add these ornaments. The ornaments are super cute. I just love them. So then I added foam squares behind the ornament to pop one of them off. And it just came together so quickly, this layout. I just love it so much. It's so festive and just fun. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some word sentiments down the bottom here. And then I'm going to add some string through these. And I want to just give you a tip. Sometimes the string does what it wants, so I just staple them down because I kind of want them to like float across the top there. And the easiest way to get that look is to staple some of the parts down so they don't move. Okay, and I just staple it there. See? So beautiful. And now I'm going to go ahead and add some journaling at the bottom here. Paco found this Christmas elf from last year and he just loves it. Poor Moxie doesn't have a chance when it comes to toys because he takes all the toys. He's 9 months now. Thinks everything's his, and he is like a little child. And I thought that I should use that for a Christmas layout because it's a Christmas toy, and I just love it so much. And there it is, my layout. Came together really quickly in 30 minutes. I love playing with the tags and all the die cuts. I hope that you found this inspiring, and thank you so much for watching today. Take care and happy holidays.